Good morning. Yeah, you ready for breakfast? This is our new breakfast. Call them, Mama. See, she taps on the ground and they all come running. There you go. It's a different kind of food for you. I have these guys throwing shoes at the chickens at night. It's really not nice. This is food for her. I'm letting her out a little bit just because she's in a smaller cage. You have a baby left out over there, Ginger. Go get your baby. Go on, Mama. There you go. Go get your baby. Good, good. See, that's what you need a mama for, to show them chicken behavior. There you go. Follow Mama inside. Go on, find the door. Oh, silly girl, you're going the wrong way. Oh boy, Ginger, call her back. There you go. Ginger's gonna come out and show her the right way. There you go. Smart. You follow Mama now. Follow Mama. Her first walk with her chickies. Okay, I want to grab this and set this up for Ginger and her babies. Alright, so I set up an enclosure for Ginger and her babies. I promised myself it's not going to be ad hoc. It's always going to look good. And it ain't. It doesn't. It looks like I promised I'd never do. But it's going to work for tomorrow. She has an enclosure, safe enclosure. She has water. And she has an exit and entrance over there just for her and her chicks. So I hope they'll figure it out and enjoy. My brother was selling and he dropped off his leftover esrogim. We have 2 boxes full of beautiful esrogim. What are we gonna do with them? I'm not sure. I'm looking it up. If anyone has ideas, what can we use the esrogim for that doesn't contain huge amounts of sugar, then please let us know in the comment section below. So we have our box of esrogs that we got. Some of the Neve girls peeled them. It smells amazing. They peeled them. And this they left for me. These are the fruit. Let's see what one looks like. I never saw the inside of an esrog before. This is the inside of an esrog. Lots of seeds, very little juice, and a thick, thick rind. I don't know what to do with all the parts of the esrog. I wish I did. I think the seeds could be made into something, but I'm not going to do that this year. I'm just going to use the peels. I'm going to dry. Some of them are going to get dried on my screens that I found in the garbage. Going to leave it here to dry. There we go. These are going to get dried, and this is going to go into oil. I am going to use this old oil box. This was an olive oil. I'm going to put all the peels in here. And then I'm going to fill it with almond oil. Almond oil doesn't have a flavor to it, so it's a carrier oil. It's a good carrier. It holds lots of scents and stuff. So I'm going to fill this. Okay, it's on like a quarter of the container. Alright, we're going to give this a few weeks. I'll put it with all my oils for my soaps. What I'm most excited about though are all of these that came with the etrogs, because when we make our candles and I send them to America, I have a feeling that this would be an amazing wrapper for it. Yeah, this is going to be an amazing protective sleeve to cover the candles, especially the littler ones. Amazing. And this is our etrog peels. Look at this. And they curled up into nothing. It smells really good. Oh wow, this is really nice. Okay, this is our etrog peels. We're gonna do another batch. It was like the whole screen was filled, but I really like this. It took 3-4 days sitting out here. I think if I would use a dehydrator or something, then they'd stay flat. But I like this texture. I like this. It looks pretty. While we're down here in the art studio, let's check out. Oh, we have a chick. We have a chick. Hey, chickie. Welcome, chickie. I hope Ginger accepts them. I hope Ginger is gonna accept them. Okay. So our sunflowers are doing really nicely. Really excited about this because this is like human food. Even though my dear Ruth asked me for some wheatgrass for her detox. So I'm flattered. And yes, sure, she can have some. I'm gonna take some home to taste it. So inspired by dear Ruth, I'm gonna taste it. I'm not sure what bracha to make. I think it's a Adama, but it's not grown in the earth, so maybe it's a shahakol because it's grown in the air. I still see the kernels. Maybe it's a mizonos. It can be all the options above. I have no idea. But I think I'm going to make a shahakol. Wait, is it hadama? Yeah, maybe I should check it out before I taste it. I'm going to check it out before I taste it. Alright, so I won't be tasting it now. This black mask looks scarier, but anyway, I'm on my way to meet the gardener. Walking around with the tractor guy. He's going to see if it can be done, what we need. Here on this sidewalk, we're going to open it up because it's basically a sidewalk that doesn't go anywhere, and we're going to open it up and plant some beautiful trees to shade out some of the classroom windows and give some greenery to that part of Neve. So he's just going to dig into the concrete. I'm going around campus now, and I'm going to show you what we've got and where we're going to be planting. So in this area outside building 4, which is where I live, we're planting 2 lemon trees. This is how it looks now. And there's going to be 1 lemon tree, 2 lemon trees. This area here, outside of building 3, all this bush is coming down. This whole bush, this is a place where cats like to scream at night and wake everyone up. And it's pretty dead inside. I'll show you. So this whole bush is coming out, and we're going to plant 2 trees. This is all coming out. We're going to plant 2 trees. 1 here, and 1 there, and 1 there. So it's 4 trees altogether. 2 sweet almond trees and 2 peach trees. Okay, continuing over here, outside, right outside the dining room entrance is going to be a lemon tree. See, this is the bush, this is the area from this side that we're going to cut the whole thing down, and this dead bush included. Next is, we're not doing much in this area at this stage, but there was a beautiful tree here coming up that was cut down because it was a pipe burst. So here we're going to put a pecan tree, a pomegranate tree, our regular one, and we're adding 2 more pomegranates right next to it. There is not much to show, but the first raindrops of the year, I feel them, they're like big raindrops. They're not like little raindrops. And this tree soon is gonna shed all its leaves, and you can totally see through. Yeah, now you can start seeing it. Wow, it's raining. The first rain. So excited. The sky is dark. Fall has officially started. This bird is all the way up there. And he's just sitting there. He doesn't mind. It's a bird's eye view. Yeah. Wonder if he has a nest there. Because it's so huge, that tree. It's like 5 stories up. This tree that he's on. 5 stories up. Wow. All right. Smells so good.